Hello everyone, my name is Victor and I'm from Victor's English. Victor. Oh no, violin. I play the violin. I play the violin slowly. I play the violin quickly. The next word is a vase. I put flowers in a vase. Can I put the violin in a vase? Oops. The violin in the vase are broken.
Hello.
Can you come to clean my place?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Van. I put the violin and the vase in a van. Goodbye violin, goodbye vase, goodbye van. Goodbye Victor. See you next time.